Hello guys, welcome back. In this video we are going to speak about precedence. So this is very good, it's really good concept to understand in order to perform accurate calculations. So it is just a simple terminology. So it is the binding power of an operator which determines how to group parts of an expression. So it determines how it's going to execute this expression. So you can have a very complex calculation which you want to perform, so the computer understands how it's going to perform this. So we have two types of operators, which is multiplicative operators, and these have higher level precedence. So if they are there, they are going to be executed first. So we have here the multiplication operator, we have the division and the mod operator, which are going to executed first. And also we have the additive operators, which are plus and minus, which have low level precedence and are going to executed after finishing to perform the multiplicative operators. Now, for example, here we can see we have 2 plus 3 times 4. So this is going to be interpreted as follows. So here we are going to first and foremost take this 3 times 4 and we get the answer, which is 12. Then we take 2 plus 12, then which the answers give us 14. So as you can see here, it has started first to multiply, which is the multiplicative operator, and not first you start for plusing this 2 plus 3, which you get 5 times 4, which is 20, which is totally different to this answer. So you have to understand this in order to perform accurate calculation. So let's see how we can also perform the calculation from left to right. So any multiplicative operator from the left is going to be executed first. Then if there is a multiplicative operator to the right, it's going to be executed after finishing the execution of the right of the left. So let's see here, we have a complex example. For example, we take 13 times 2 plus 239 divided by 10, then we divide by mod operator by 5 minus 2 times 2. So you can pause this video and try yourself and see the final answer if is equal to yours. So let's see here now, you can see we have 13 times 2. It's going to execute first from the left, then going to the right, and it's starting by the multiplicative operators, which is the multiplication here for our case. Then it comes to the second line here. As you can see, the other multiplicative operator to the left hand side is this division. So it's going to perform the division here, and we have got the answer 23. And here the multiplicative operator remaining, which is this mod operator, so it have divided 23 with this one, which the answer results to 3. Now in this line, the only multiplicative operator which has remained here is this on the right hand side. As you can see here, it has not executed this one here from here, so our answer here is going to give us 4. So we have remained here with additive operators. So we are going first to plus 26 plus 3, which is 29. Then we are going to finish by minusing this with 4 and getting the answer, which is 25. So this was precedence, and I thought I have to talk to this concept in order to understand how expressions are executed. So if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and smash that bell icon for new videos, and provide a thumbs up in order to grow our channel. Thank you for watching.